Well, I'm back again with my first progress report. Got a fair bit done. I've got the body here in light gray Vallejo primer, and I've just sprayed the bottom with black primer. I've got the chassis underneath here is sprayed with black primer as well. I brushed some silver under the bottom part of the engine. This is all molded in one piece. Then I've added on the engine here, I painted the carburetor as kind of a brass color and added the velocity stacks. Painted the pulleys and belt, added those on there. I'm going to do a little bit of detail painting on the engine, and did a little bit of black wash. I've got the fog lights and the tail lights done with a paint marker. I've got the headlight lenses glued in. I've got his head just attached with putty to his body, and that's all in Vallejo light gray primer as well. I've got the wheels done in black primer. I've got the roll bar here. I'm not sure if I'm leaving it in white. I might paint it chrome. I've got the tires. I've put a little bit of crazy glue and the seams there and pressed the two halves together. The wheels are just pressed in at the moment. They're not attached yet. They're not glued in. The same with the front wheels. Here I've got some crazy glue to attach the wheel, so the tires to the back part of the wheel, and that's where I'm at now. I'll begin adding some more color. I just want to take a quick look at the clear parts tree here. It comes with the windshield, the headlight lenses, and these clear glasses that can be tinted and painted to look like sunglasses. They're for the Dave Deal's cartoon figure head. So I thought that was kind of pretty cool. And I'm back again with progress report number 2. I've got a little bit more done. I've got the roll bar and the antenna here sprayed with some Krylon chrome aerosol spray can. I've got the engine all together and installed on the back of the chassis. Got the exhaust put together. It's all fixed up there, and that's done. I got the tires glued together, and some white cotton ball. It's called Americana paint, craft paint. I just went over that with a small brush, and I might have to go over and put a second coat on. The front tires were a little more difficult. It kind of blobbed a bit there. Focus a little bit better. I just used one of these little micro brushes here and dipped it in the paint, and just it's pretty. It raised up pretty well, and I just went around there with some white paint just to highlight the lettering. I've got the body done in the, let's see what we got, Craft Smart green. It's like a lime green metallic, but it mixed with about half and half with some Future floor finish and the pledge there, and I've got a couple of coats of each on there. And what I might do now, I've also got some of this here Folk Art Extreme Glitter. It's green glitter, and it's in a white base there. The white dries clear and just leaves the glitter. I might try and brush that on. It's very thick, so I can't put it through the airbrush. I might just brush it on the outside of the dune buggy's body here. So coming along, I just have to paint the figure and finish the assembly. So stay tuned. We're almost done. Well, I'm back again with another progress report, and things are going pretty well so far. I've got the paint on the body here. Like I said, I had the green, lime green paint on, craft paint, and then I tried some of the glitter, extreme glitter. The green, it was a little too green. It didn't really show up. So I tried this other one I had. It's Folk Art Extreme Glitter. It's called Hologram. It's more of a silvery green, but it's got a lot of green in it. So I put 2 or 3 heavy coats brushed on, and then sealed with 2 coats of Future. You can see the bit of a more sparkle in that, and I just brushed some flat black on the seats and floor to add some contrast, and sealed that as well. I've got the driver's figure painted up here just with craft paint, yellow and pink craft paint for his shirt and jacket. I found some little decals there to put on, and painted some light flesh craft paint on his hands and face. Focus a little bit. There's the engine on the Volkswagen engine on the back there. I've got the second coat of white paint on the tires. Came out really nice. And I've got his face painted up here. A little bit of red on his nose and cheeks and that. The only thing I have to do left is the sunglasses. I just haven't figured out what color to paint them yet. They come in clear. Got the headlights and gas cap here ready to go on, and the fog lights and tail lights ready to go on. So, and the antenna and the roll bar back here, the wheels and tires. So just letting everything sit for a bit and dry out, harden up well, and I'll begin the assembly process, and I should be back soon with the final product. Well, I'm back with the final progress report, and I've got the glitter bug all finished up, all put together. Went together pretty well. Got the glasses done. It comes in clear plastic, as you saw. I just did a blue marker around the frame and a silver chrome marker on the lenses. Give them that mirrored effect. Got the signal lights and the fog lights on there. The antenna. The tires came out nice. The engine looks good. So it's a quick build, 5 days there. I got it all done. The glitter came out quite nice. You can see the sparkle on there, and turned out really well. So I just maybe figure out some way of putting this in a diorama now. I have a few more of the Deals Wheels kits to build, so I might try and figure out some way of putting them all together. Well, since he's out in the sun all day, I figured I'd add a little extra feature. I figured I'd give him a beach umbrella to take with him as he heads down to the shoreline. Keep the sun off his head. Hang on, don't go away. There's a brief slideshow at the end.